Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to mine Duino Coin on a Raspberry Pi 5 with 4 GB of RAM. I've prepared all the commands in advance, and you'll find them linked on the website in the description below. First, we're going to install Python and the necessary Python packages. Once that's done, we'll move on to downloading the Duino Coin miner directly from GitHub. After the download is complete, we'll unzip the files and enter the unzip directory. Next, we'll create a virtual environment and activate it. This is an important step to keep everything organized and prevent conflicts with other Python packages. Now, we'll start the miner. The miner will automatically detect if any necessary requirements are missing and install them for us. Once the setup is done, you'll be prompted to enter your Duino Coin username, as well as your mining key if you've set one up. You'll also be asked to confirm your mining device information and select a donation level for the Duino Coin project. After that, the miner will start working. At this point, I'm getting a mining speed of about 4 mH/s, which is decent for a Raspberry Pi 5. But, I want to speed things up, so now we'll move on to compiling the libducohash module, which can boost mining performance. First, we need to install some required packages, including a Ruby compiler. Then, we'll activate the virtual environment for Ruby. Next, we'll download the libducohash source files and unpack them. Once that's done, we enter the libducohash directory and start the compilation process. When the compilation is finished, we'll enter the target/release directory to grab the libducohasher.so file and copy it into our Duino Coin miner directory. Finally, we go back to the miner directory, and now we'll run the miner again. This time, after using the optimized libducohash module, I'm getting a mining speed of 16 mH/s, which is 4 times faster than before. That's a significant improvement. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and projects. See you in the next video.